Hello, welcome back to another episode. We are on our way to Branxholme, where there's a little free camp up there that apparently got a pool and...
Yeah, it looks pretty awesome. It's got some washing machines, showers.
Yeah, got recommended to us at the last camp we're at, so by some locals.
Locals, yeah, from Hobart.
So we're heading up that way. We're probably going to get up there, set up, and I think go and check out Ben Lomond National Park this afternoon, if the weather holds out. Yeah, we're driving along a doozy of a road. But yeah, so that's our plan for now, and we'll get up there and we'll show you around, I think.
I'll put some information up above from Wiki about the camp, so you all know where it is.
And yeah, we'll give you a rundown when we get there.
So the best adventures are always on the dirt roads, aren't they, dear?
Yes, dear. Just another one of Tassie's crackers. The route we wanted to take was shut, so I sent you down a detour, but the sign at the start said 7 kilometres of winding steep roads, which is nothing unusual, but this one's all on dirt too, so awesome. Yeah, wouldn't be a day driving around Tassie without going up and down a hill.
We're having fun.
It's not a hard drive, it's not bad. I've just got to do four-wheel drive high and cruising up it, but yes, another one of Tassie's finest. The view from the top would be cool.
And here we are, I think. Take a look at this.
We're just passing through Scottsdale, and even the sculptures here are telling us what to do. Get up, hit that like button if you're liking the episode. That'll crack me up. Yeah, anyway, this was a tree that fell across the dude's gate, so instead of chopping up into firewood, he just turned it into a big thumb. Hey, people kept stopping and taking photos with it, so he donated it to the town, and now it sits here as a little bit of comedic value for the town. So yeah, anyway, hit that like button. Look, it's telling you. So after what was a beautiful drive, but bloody windy and bumpy and whatnot as you've seen, but anyway, we've made it to Branxholme, and what a banger. I mean, as far as free camps go, this one's pretty damn well appointed if I was swinging around. There's power just there, there's power all up there, there's toilets just there, there's a laundry, there is more toilets, and just over there is a pool. The boys have always had no time getting to that. I'll go over there a bit later if there's no one in there, but I don't want to go filming in the pool area while there's people swimming around, because that's just rude. It's right in the middle of town. Just over to the side of us is a cafe that does coffees and pies, and there's a pizzeria that I can see from just here. So yeah, as far as free camps go, well up there. But once the boys get out of the water, we are going to
Ben
Lomond National Park. There we go, got that out.
To have a look around.
Yeah, so anyway.
We're not going to camp up there, we're just going to have a look around. And
yeah, no, we're just going for a bit of a day trip. We're just staying here for the night. Not going to hook up to power yet, but if we don't get full charge by the time we get back, I'm going to run the power out overnight. We've only hooked up to power once since we left home, so we're doing pretty well. Don't want to ruin the streak if I don't have to. And yeah, anyway, oh, there's a basketball court over there. That may get a workout later. Righto, we're going to go and let the boys finish swimming and go do this drive. We'll bring you along and show you what's out there.
go. Ben Lomond, Stony Peak view. This is absolutely amazing. The rock formations against the bush. Oh my gosh, you really need to come up here if you're in Tassie and have a look at this. It's a bit of a forward drive in. We've done dirt road for a few Ks now, but wow. I don't know if you can see that behind me, but that is amazing. And then on this side, you've got this view. It's crazy. It is just so gorgeous to look at. So we're going to take a couple of photos and keep on going up. There's another lookout up above as well, so we'll get to see the view from there too.
That was one of the sketchiest drives I've done. As you would know by now, I'm petrified of heights, and that was that was doing nothing for me. Absolutely beautiful, but whew, the old fear of heights kicked in well and truly then. But we're just coming to Watchtower Lookout. Looks right out over the national park and whatnot, but yeah, absolutely stunning up here. So had it in 4 high all the way up here just to get a bit of traction and a bit more drive around the corners, but yeah, absolutely beautiful. I'm going to show you some sights down here. So that's Ben Lomond National Park. That was amazing.
That road is just so like mesmerising, and the view and
it's
the
a pretty iconic bit of road.
Yeah.
But yeah, so absolutely amazing. Highly recommend coming out. It's a little bit out of the way, but highly recommend coming out to see it. But yeah, it's well worth the visit. Even today is not real sunny, but stunning.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you're scared of heights, just close your eyes. That's what I done.
But bring some Airguard or whatever, because I'm getting munched by mosquitoes.
Mozzies are very friendly up here, but yeah, there is a little campground down a bit lower if you don't have a van and stuff, but
wouldn't be able to get our rig in.
Yeah, you wouldn't be able to get a big van in there.
Yeah.
But yeah, absolutely stunning. So highly recommend it. And there is a ski resort up there if you wanted to do it in the snow. No thanks.
Imagine coming up here in the snow. That'd be tricky.
Yeah, righto, we're going back down. Yeah, so Branxholme done. Yeah, highly recommend this one if you're passing through the area heading up towards Derby, but we now have some waterfalls to chase and some camps to find, so just locking up, double checked everything, and we are out of here. See you when we get to the waterfalls.